I built the world's best sounding budget keyboard. This story starts off with a $60 Amazon keyboard, Gazoo Boba linear Thock key switches, and a ridiculous amount of lube. I did this thingy here with the stabilizer. I don't really know what it's for, but you see a lot of people do it where they just poke at it. I also clipped my stems with my dog clippers, added dielectric grease, and I threw those bad boys together. Moving on, I threw some O-rings in between the plate screws. This makes it feel amazing when typing, probably the most impactful mod. I threw some PE foam in there, and as you can see, I did in fact wholly mod the stabilizers as well. For those of you that don't know, the wholly mod is just adding a piece of fabric tape, or in some cases Band-Aid, between the plate and the stabilizer. This really helps eliminate some of that nasty metal rattle you hear on space bars. Now the moment we've all been waiting for, the sound test.